Hi everyone! Today I'd like to talk to you about an application called SignUpGenius. So as you can see up here in the top, the URL is signupgenius.com. SignUpGenius is a free application. It will ask you if you would like to upgrade to a premium account. But I have never seen the need to upgrade to a premium account. I can do everything I need to do in the free version. Let me go ahead and take you guys all in and I can show you what it's all about. So up here in the corner, there's a login button, and we're going to click that. And my login information is already logged in, so I'm just going to hit login, and it'll bring up my current and previous signups that I've already created. I am currently a pre-K teacher, so I use this in two main capacities. One is to ask for donations or not such a matter for events or celebrations that we're having at school. And the biggest one for me and the most helpful is for my conferences. So I have spring and winter conferences that I do with my parents each year. And I'm going to go into detail more about that in just a minute, but let me show you how I use it for our celebrations. So let's take Valentine's Day party, for example. Let me bring you into this one. Our Valentine's Day party sign up is going to have a name, a little blurb, and this one is set up by item. So you'll see here that we're going to have like strawberries, juice, and you'll look over to the right and you'll see if that item has been fulfilled or if we're still needing that material. In this case, this is the previous sign up, so all of them are full. But that's kind of what your item SignUpGenius is going to look like. And in the other capacity where I use it for my conferences, we're going to take a look at my winter conferences. And this one is set up by date and time. So you're going to see the same little picture and title and a little blurb. But in this one, you're going to see how it's set up by date and then time. So this one is a Monday, and then I have 3 time slots. Each of those have been fulfilled already. And you'll see that then I go to Tuesday. This one has 4 time slots. And you'll see that my 3 to 3:15 is still available. So a parent can go ahead and sign up for that. This helps both parents and teachers keep track of who you're seeing and when. It is so helpful for me. Another area that's very helpful is when you go to the very, very top here, you're going to see areas where you can edit the content or send messages to the people who are involved in this sign up. But the biggest one here is this print version. So if we click on the print version, you're going to see that all that information is in a very easy, viewer-friendly, printable version. So you're going to see the time, the date, and all of their contact information. It's very helpful. And then what we're going to do here is I'm going to actually show you how to create a sign up. So we're going to go back to our main screen here. And this is where all of our previous signups are. And I'm going to show you how to create a sign up. So up here at the top, you're going to see a green button that says create a sign up. So we're going to hit create a sign up. Now, this comes in a lot of different themes and designs. So what we can do is we're going to just name this one, let's say, for the sake of this one, we're going to do this one for our students. So a great way to get students active in their education too. Say they have a presentation coming up, and they want to present on a certain date and certain time. So you're going to set up a SignUpGenius for them to sign up when they would like to present their paper. So we'll say presentations. And this is going to be we're going to add students as a group here. We're going to add a new group and we're going to name them students. And then this is going to be a scheduling type of category because we're scheduling an event here. So we'll go to scheduling. And then our subcategory is going to be education. And then what we can do down here is we can look through a bunch of different themes of how we want this to look. You can type in a keyword or a category here. As you can see, I went ahead and put in presentations, but the three that come up are going to be your subscription ones for your platinum or premium account. So let's just see what happens when I put in presentation. And then we have, like business meetings. Let's see how that one looks. This one looks kind of fun. So we have presentations. We can come over here to this button right here and edit what they see here. So please review the time slots below and click on the button to sign up to share your presentation. Thank you. We'll share that one, and then we're going to hit continue and save. Here you'll be able to do sort by date, sort by slot, slots only, or single date RSVP. Single date RSVP means that only one person can do it per day. So we're going to go down here to the add the date, and let's just say May 15th, Monday, May 15th, and we'll do 1, and then we'll change this one to PM, and we'll say they have a 10-minute limit, so we'll say to 1:10. And then again change it to PM. Now if you want, you can come down here and you can add another time slot for the same date. So we'll say from 1:10, again changing it to PM, to 1:20 PM, and we're going to go ahead and add those dates. We're going to add time slots for each one. Title of the slot is presentation, and then we will just wanted one, and we're going to save, and that will add one slot for each date that they can sign up for. You can always add more if you want. You can go to the date and add a different date for like say the 16th or something like that. But for right now, we're just going to hit save and continue. This is where you can kind of add and modify things as needed. So when your participants sign up for something, you can have them require certain things. So like their name is always going to be required. You can say if their email is optional or required. And a comment is either optional or required. So for this one, we're going to say optional. There's a more button right here where you can add a phone number or an address. I always ask and make it required for their phone number when I do conferences and stuff like that. So that way I know the correct contact information to get in touch with them. And then from there, we're just going to go ahead and hit save and continue. And then you're going to see what it looks like. So this is what our Sign Up Genius is going to look like for right now. And then you can always toggle up here between the computer version and our smartphone version. It'll kind of show you what it's going to look like on their end in the smartphone, which is always pretty cool. You can save it as a draft or you can publish it. That is the main gist of Sign Up Genius. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. And if you have any questions, let me know. Bye, guys.